Hello guys. Today I would like to show you guys another method which I learned from YouTube. How to make your video to full HD. First go to Effects, go to Cartoon and choose Black and White Sketch. Add it into your video and extend it to cover whole video.
You know exactly what I want.
Ops to long adjust back haha. Now we need to add blur to the video as well. I already favorite blur, so I just add it from favorite there. If not, you can find it at basic there. After add extend it. Once done extended, go to export it. No idea why the OBS like this? Haha. Okay. After export now we make another neon blur video. Remove the black and white sketch and add neon to the video. You can find neon on Cartoon as well. Add it into your video once you find it.
Little lamb, to the slaughter with you.
Haha, funny little lamb. Once added, then extend it to cover whole video as previous. Exported. Again OBS setting failure. Haha. Once finish export, remove the effect blur and neon. Just keep the original video there. Now go to media to import both of the edited video. Neon and BW sketch. After import both edited video, then add it to the original video. Finish add both video, then we will adjust the video mode. First we click the black and white sketch video and change its mode to color burn. Mode you can find at basic Kaloom. No idea again, OBS. Okay, now go to opacity to adjust it to 35%. We are done with black and white sketch video. Now go to neon video. Also change it mode first. This we change the color dodge. Then we adjust the opacity to 65%. Now go to the final adjustment for those brightness contrast. Click custom adjustment and extend it to cover all. Click the adjustment and go to basic to adjust. For this final touch-up you guys adjust yourself. But mine here is my own preference. You guys can make it as set point to adjust again.
Adjust 55, adjust 55, adjust 11, adjust 11, adjust 11, adjust 11. Adjust -2 and 17, adjust -2 and 17, adjust -2 and 17, oh, oh, oh. Adjust -2 and 17, adjust -2 and 17, adjust -2 and 17, oh, oh, oh.
Adjust 8, adjust 8,
Adjust 3, adjust 3.
Okay, stop singing. Now we watch see the quality how. Not bad huh? Bole just a bit long process. Okay done, then we export. Thank you for watching.